So what we're going to do is use this kind of craze phenomenon, and we're actually going to write a Rogerian argument, and zombies are going to be the topic. And I think this is really important to remember with your students. I work with several people that have never done the assignments that they have their students do. And I don't understand how that's even possible. Because how can you talk through the process with kids if you haven't done the writing yourself or tried to do the writing yourself? So that's what we're going to do today, and we're just going to have a little fun with it because it's zombies and they're popular right now and kids love talking about them. So you're going to decide with your partner, you're going to pick a partner or two. If you're a table of three, the three of you can work together just fine. You're going to decide which side of the argument you want to take. You can decide that zombies are real. You can decide they're not real. You can talk about, pick an idea of why you think they're popular in our culture right now. And you're going to choose that focus. So you decide, what about zombies do I want to argue about? And then you're going to write a Rogerian argument with your partner based on zombies. So the first thing you need to do is give a detailed description of the problem. Then you need to give the context in which the other side of your argument can be valid, I can't talk today. And this will stay up here. Context in which your side can be valid, and then benefits to the other side if they adopt your side.
Zombies are real. Context in which the other side can be valid. Like science. Common sense. Medical science.
People don't come back from the dead.
Real thinking.
Took the view that zombies don't exist, and my taking into account the other side was that they become a nice metaphor to help us process our fears, and ultimately they're an avoidance because they might reflect things like climate change, economic collapse, pandemics, consumerism, anarchy, which it's easy to say it's just a mindless thing and we can fight it. So they choose to believe a fantasy because it's not as scary as reality. Then to counter that, the context in which my side would be valid is that if we accept that they're not real, we see them as metaphors, and maybe we can take action on the problems that are our subliminal fears and begin to fix those problems so we're not rendered powerless but empowered by accepting that they're not real and moving